Hey, I'm Joe, and I've got something to show you that could change your life for the better. Now, I'm willing to take a punt that you're one of these 3 people. Meet Lou. She never watches sport, and she's never placed a bet in her life. She thinks that gambling is a fool's game. Now, we couldn't agree more. Gambling is just plain crazy. One to watch. Meet Benny. Benny likes to bury his head in the sand and pretend like everything's going to get better. Now, Benny loves to gamble. The bookmakers love him, and he makes them loads of money. Every bet he makes is always a big winner in his head, even though he's lost the last 7 in a row. Don't be like Benny. Finally, meet Mike. Mike used to have his head in the sand and thought he could make money through gambling. Now he feels sorry for people like Benny. He still spends some of his time placing bets, but he never, ever gambles. That's right, he never gambles. How does that work? Well, Mike uses matched betting, a real thing that makes it possible to place bets, know your profit before an event even starts, and never waste a penny of your own money. How? By utilizing offers made by bookmakers, who make a load of money off our old mate Benny. You see, big bookmakers make boatloads of cash from people like Benny. They used to make loads of money off people like Mike, but Mike got smart. Let's pretend these 2 balloons are bookmakers. This is Bookie 1, and this is Bookie 2. Now, bookmakers know that if they can get Benny to bet, they'll always make a profit in the long term, because the odds are in their favor, right? But how do they keep Benny coming back for more and more? They make crazy offers. Let's see what offers they're making today. Bookie 1 says he'll give us an offer of £50 if we bet £50. Bookie 2 says he'll give us an offer of £40 if we bet £40. Now, as I say, bookies make these offers so as to get people like Benny to return and gamble more. But you can, using simple maths, use these offers against each other to make a steady profit. So, to sum up, it's never gambling. You don't care about the outcome of an event, you've covered all possible outcomes. It's basic maths and nothing else. And what's more, over 150,000 non-gamblers have used our website to do just that. Mike is one of them.
Yep, and there's a free trial. No card details required, and you can make a profit of up to £45 within the trial itself.
Okay, what's the catch?
Well, there is no catch. Bookmakers will hate it and try to do everything in their power to stop you, but we can help you with that.
So you know your profit before you even make your bet?
That's right.
Where do I sign up?
Anything else, Lou?
No, all checks out from my end.
Okay, so if anyone has any questions at all, please leave a comment, or feel free to send us a message. Best wishes, and here's to profit!